that we have friends, and then we have colleagues, and then we have neighbors, and then we have associates. Then, out of all these people in Babalile, I hope you also need to check Upodla Gupi, Upodla Bobani. You understand? No, you look Upodla Gupi, Upodla Ganjani, Upodla Bobani. And then I think to this age, you know, abantu wrong, abangadingeki in your life. To be honest, guys, at this age school, even if you are still 25, you should know. By 25, you should know what is right for you, wrong for you, what works for you, what doesn't work for you. You need to know at this age, because you cannot just live like a parachute. You know, you are not a parachute. You know, Asanda goes to say, "Where are you from?" I'm from. You mean now, or Beth, or what? Sanda, can you rephrase the question, please? I'm sorry. So, so guys, this is what I'm saying, that I feel disappointed by Mpumalanga, the way they are doing things. Lalela is 2025 now. If maybe you were an assistant MC, maybe you know better, because I'm not in Nelspruit, I'm not in Mpumalanga. Let me say I'm not in Mpumalanga, because Mpumalanga is not Nelspruit only. So I'm not in Mpumalanga now. Maybe there's a development that I'm not seeing, and now I might be talking like this, Kanti. There's a development that I'm not seeing. You understand? And I cannot say it's a development when they start, people from Mpumalanga, they start hosting events, but Holimali from government wins some events. I cannot call that development. I cannot call that development. Because obviously I'm attend awangale mena favor ini abantu bangale. That's when then if they bring people, the artists from there, that's development. That's development. You cannot say we are inspiring. We inspire. Inspire. To be honest, I'll tell you. You won't say you inspire me or R. Kelly. Mina, yes, tap, guys. Tap. Thank you, Malesh. I wait a Malesh. I'm going to wait. Gyapora, we see two Kobans. Angas, guys. Angas. Middlepack is developed. Wow, thank you, Middlepack. Thank you. Let's clap. Tell us about me. Okay, but for get gossip one. Mina yasn't Kulmela developed in terms of what? In terms of do they celebrate their artist in Middleburg? If it's that, ngiba shayela izandla. Mina ngiphume with ayikaze ngibook and I won. Yeah, ngikhumbule Witbank ngibizwa kuthiwa umfana wafunde Phindimande. Ngifunde Philip Ndimande High School. And when I come on live, abantu they say, Sipho safunda now, Sipho in. But Magnama event, that's another thing. I'm asking myself, do they recommend me now? Maybe people don't recommend you. Maybe sometimes you are crowded by people who don't even recommend your name when maybe the municipality was sent away and will be like, guys, we'll be hosting an event. Sine drive yani you will deliver ikathulo kuphi, and we will need artists. I don't know, maybe they don't mention our names, not my name only, our names, because I know there are more Mpumalanga who I know that they have the same concern I have.